Now, I love going for vacation, but there's nothing worse than going for vacation on a foreign country and you have no clue what's going on. You get to this airport or you take the subway and you have no clue what's going on. Today, we're going to show you how we can help you with that. Here we go. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in that video, and today we're looking at the Vormor Scan Translator. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is a scan translator where you can use as a pen and scan through different literatures that has different languages, and then it'll translate it for you. Let's open it up and let's see how well it does. Here we go. The inside is pretty simple, as the translator right here, and then the bottom probably has the charging cable. As you could see there, has some literature and the USB-C cable there as well. Let's take this out of the plastic. Pretty slick design actually. This also comes with screen protector built in, so let's peel off the front here. So this is the AI translator here. It's powered by Android, it's touchscreen, and it has many features here as well. It's easy to navigate to whatever feature that you want to use. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you'll be able to update the pen right off here over the air and use this to translate over 112 languages. On the side, it comes with 3 buttons, the power button and the 2 mic buttons, which will show you the features later on. It also acts as a volume button. This also has built-in speakers as well. On the back, it has a built-in camera and a USB-C in the bottom. And this is the scanner on the tip. You can scan text and translate it as well. It also comes with one button, kind of like a home button. Now you can connect Bluetooth devices here as well by hitting the Bluetooth here, and you'll be able to put earbuds with it. Change the volume right here as well. You have autoplay. Multi-line. Brightness. Change the direction if you're left-handed or right-handed. You can upgrade the software as well here. And then you can change the auto power off and the language as well. Now the other thing that you can use this for is obviously recording right here. All the recordings will be shown here. And then to record, all you need to do is click this button right here. Now this is a test for the recording on the translator pen, AI translator. Let me know what you think down below on the quality. Now let's test out the quality of this. Hit stop and let's hit play. Now this is a test for the recording on the translator pen, AI translator. Let me know what you think down below on the quality. Now let's test out the quality of this. You can add MP3 files here as well. I currently use a MacBook, so we're just going to use the Android file transfer, and we're going to connect the device via USB-C. Once we've downloaded it, we're just going to transfer it to our applications here, and we're going to open the Android file transfer. Our MacBook should detect the device, and as you can see here, all the files will be right here. We're just going to move this song, this MP3 file, to the music folder. Once you've dragged it into that folder, now you'll be able to play MP3 files on this device. So now let's try the scan translation right here. Or you can bring it up as well by clicking the end here. There it is. Here we're going to set up the language again. We're gonna try Italian to English. Let's try that out. There it is. I'm gonna take this and scan the literature here.
3.3 montaggio sullo stabilizzatore.
And then it'll hit the
3.3 mounting on the stabilizer.
I think I messed up there. Let's try that again. So right here.
Montaggio del supporto della lente opzionale.
And then let's do the translation now.
3.2 mounting the lens holder optional.
There you go. So yeah, it'll be able to scan a text from any literature that you want and translate it to the language that you want as well. It's also able to do multiple languages here. For example, lots of languages, as you could see here. Cantonese, Mandarin, Spain, Finnish, Stallion, Japanese, Korean, Russian, South African. If you see your language here, hit the like button or comment below. There it is. And that's the same goes with translated language. You can do photo translation as well. So once you're ready, just take a picture of this, like so. Taking a picture of it, just replace this. You can move it around. You can make the box bigger or smaller. And then hit the check mark. So as you could see there, I was able to read the text like so. Then translation to English, it says that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, exit, way out. There you go. That way you can use this so that you won't get lost. Oh, now let's try the phonetic translator. Here you could set up the languages as well. So I speak Filipino fluently. So we're going to try to see if it's accurate with the translation to the English here. So since the English text is on this side, we're gonna use the red button. And then since the Filipino language is set on the left side, we're gonna use the blue one. Let's try this out. Try the English first. The cow jumped over the moon.
Tumalon ang baka sa ibabaw ng buwan.
That's really good. Okay, let's go. Hey, how are you? I would like to buy some shirt from you.
Hoy, kamusta ka na? Gusto ko sanang bumili. Shirt galing sa'yo.
There you go. So this is pretty accurate actually. Even the pause that I did there, was able to put a dot there. And then shirt, galing sa'yo. That's right, pretty good. Now let's go the other way around. Now we're gonna press this button now because we're gonna speak Filipino. Bakit ka naman magaling sa basketball?
Why are you good at basketball?
There you go. It even has a flag here. I'm really enjoying this. It's really good. If you are on a different country or something like that, then you'll be able to use the button without flipping through the menus. And if you're speaking to someone, you'll be able to translate it right away for you. Let's see a longer one now. Pwede mo itong gamitin sa mga pagpunta mo sa ibang lugar. Pag pumunta ka sa ibang lugar na iba ang lengguwahe, pwede mong matranslate ang mga language doon.
You can use it when you go to another place with a different language. You can translate the languages there.
So as you could see, it did actually pretty well, even though I was a little bit struggling there. This is pretty much exact on what I wanted to say. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new AI translator. This one is from Vormor Scan Translator. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.